So today I'm going to talk to you about Keto Krate again. So this box here is the box for March. Okay, so obviously what's going on around the world, COVID-19, we can't really go out and get certain low carb snacks that we want because you're waiting in line or they won't have it, whatnot, etc. So the good thing about this is that it comes right to your door and everything is in here. That's the exciting part of it, okay? So you don't even have to worry. We're all staying at home, but this box comes straight to your house. All the low carb snacks that you want is all in here, okay? So before I open this up, I'm going to tell you about a few things. So it's $39.95 per box, okay? And you get $10 off with this discount code, which is Organic Health Nut 10 off, okay? So everything will be linked below in description on YouTube, and if you are watching us on Facebook, we're going to post it. So you have nothing to worry about. Everything will be linked below, okay? And so this box is for March, and the great thing about Keto Krate is that if you want the low carb snacks for January or February, okay, they can actually ship it to you. So let's say you like what's inside for February and you're not really a fan of what they have for March. They actually will ship you the one for February. Okay, you just have to go on it and pick what you want. Type in the discount code Organic Health Nut 10 off, $10 off. They ship it to you. Okay, so let's open this box now. It looks very beautiful, and they always put, the great thing about it is that they always have a cute little pamphlet, and they actually talk about, like, you know, if you want to lose weight, how you can lose weight. They have like little like this one guy, you know, he lost a lot of weight just by changing his lifestyle. It's actually like they have like cute little stories in here, and they help you to make a plan. Don't give up. Remember your way and why. So they actually talk to you about certain things and what's inside the box as well, okay? So in here today, we have pecan, which is sea salt. So let's say you're keto, but you're a vegan keto. They have vegan snacks in here too that's actually keto. So obviously there is the sea salt, all natural roasted pecan. The ingredients in this one is just pecans, peanut oil, and sea salt. Okay, very delicious. They have the plant-based keto cookie, which is grain and gluten-free. I love this. I actually did buy one from a store before, and it was just very, very tasty. Obviously, no soy, there's no dairy, gluten-free, grain-free, fiber, no eggs, no artificial sweeteners, and no high fructose corn syrup. Thank God. So they have Kiss My Keto, no added sugar, sweetened with stevia, infused with MCT oil. It's chocolate bars, very, very tasty. I love it. I love the taste of it. We even have this one, Keto Bar Chocolate Almond Butter, and it's the ingredients are amazing, and I just cannot wait to open it and eat it. Very healthy. They have the IQ Bar Brain and Body. So this one is basically brain, nutrients, plant protein, total sugars 1 gram, and 4 grams total net carbs. Okay, and when you feel it, it's really, really soft. Really soft. I love chewy bars. They have this one, Fat Bar, which is caramel and sea salt, right over here. They have Almond Espresso Chocolate Keto Cups, okay, which is cocoa butter, almond butter, stevia, almonds, cocoa powder, and coffee beans and salt. That's it, okay? They have the nacho cheddar flavored fried pork rinds. I love pork rinds. It's so tasty. And what I normally do actually with this is, if you don't want to eat it straight from the bag, I actually I grind it, and then I use it as like kind of like breadcrumbs. So for my chicken or my ground beef, if I want to like bake it or barbecue it, I want to thicken it up, kind of like make it crispy on the outer part. Basically take pork rinds, grind it up, and then mix that put it all over like your seasoning, your topping, and it will be very, very crispy when you barbecue or when you bake your meat. Okay, and then we have the Parmesan cheese crisps. Those ones are very tasty. I'm totally in love with it. Very, very tasty. Okay, and the last thing that's in here is the Keto Bark Pecan, which is milk chocolate, no sugar added, Chalk Zero. And I think I'm gonna open this up after. But they're like little chocolate bars, I believe. And that's about it, guys. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 snacks for the month of March. Okay? So I'm gonna actually open this up just to see how it looks like inside. Very, very interesting. Oh, well, it smells really nice. And it comes in like little small packs like this. So with the discount, $10 off, your total would actually be $29.95 for all of this right over here, guys. Definitely a bargain. You're saving a lot of not only time, but you're saving like money. Like all of these things personally in stores would cost you a lot. Like this one, for instance, like in a health food store is a lot of money. Like I don't want to say the price, but I know for a fact that it's a lot of money. Okay, and nuts are actually very expensive these days. So you're getting a whole lot of snacks over here for only $29.95. That's with our discount of $10 off. So you're saving a very good amount of money. So this is how this chocolate looks like. Wow, look at that, eh? Wow, let me taste it. Oh, wow. That's really good. I like that. Okay. I'm going to definitely finish that. But they have amazing snacks over here. Yeah, so on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel so you can see more of these beautiful videos that I'm posting. Share it with your family and friends, guys, because you are not only helping yourself, you are definitely helping others, okay? You want to definitely have snacks. You can't go out. You're waiting in line or they're out of stock. They don't have anything. Don't even worry. Don't panic, okay? They have everything in this cute little box straight to your door. You don't even have to worry about anything. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.